If you're thinking of moving to the Torio area in the Veraguas province, well, this lot might be the one for you. I'm standing here above the hills of Torio overlooking Isla Cebaco in the Pacific Ocean, and this lot has it all. Great sense of privacy, the access, beautiful, beautiful trees, elevation. It even gets cold at night. All of that makes this lot one of the best we have for sale in the area. And in this video, I want to show you everything there is to it. My name is Andres with Casa Real Estate. Please join me and let's come check it out. Getting here is surprisingly easy. You're on a paved road all the way from Santiago, and the access road into this development is in great condition. No 4x4 required. It's quiet and peaceful, and you're still only about 5 minutes from the main road that connects Torio with the rest of the Azuero. The property itself is just under 5,000 square meters. That's about 1.23 acres. It's perched high on a ridge with natural red earth, a gentle slope, and uninterrupted views in every direction. The site is perfect for building. You've got ocean on one side, mountains on the other, and privacy built right into the land's topography. This spot is ideal for anyone who wants to slow down and really enjoy the natural beauty of Panama. Whether it's watching sunsets, growing fruit trees, bird watching, or just sitting on your porch with a view, it invites a simple, peaceful lifestyle. Being up here is truly something else. The views from this spot are absolutely spectacular. You've got endless coastline stretching in both directions, framed by lush greenery and mature trees all around. It's the kind of place where Panama really shows off its natural beauty. The small town of Torio is located just under a 5-minute drive away, and the road is in excellent condition. In fact, it's worth noting that this is one of the best roads in the entire area. Torio currently offers a few restaurants and shops, but its amenities are expected to grow in the coming years. For surf lovers, you'll find waves right in Torio and also in nearby Morillo. Morillo is an outstanding spot just under 10 minutes away, ideal for intermediate to advanced surfers. It's considered one of the best surf breaks on the entire peninsula. Hey guys, so I hope you really enjoyed this video. It's about to start raining, so I'm wrapping things up here. If you want to know more about this property, you can check out the description box we have down below, where you're gonna find the listings link with all the information and our contact information. Our website, casasolution.com, has more than 2,000 properties all over Panama, and our team is more than happy to assist you in your search. If you have any questions whatsoever about this property, or you want to see more content about the area, just drop a message down below and I will reply you as soon as possible. My name is Andres with Casa Real Estate. It's been my pleasure to having you here. So until next time, take care.